2026 Volvo ES90. The future of new luxury EVs? Shocking leaks. The 2026 Volvo ES90 is making headlines as rumors suggest it will be Volvo's next flagship electric sedan, replacing the S90 with a fully electric, high-tech luxury vehicle. As part of Volvo's commitment to going all-electric by 2030, the ES90 is expected to be sleek, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge autonomous tech. If these speculations are accurate, the ES90 could be a serious competitor to the Mercedes EQE, BMW i5, and Tesla Model S.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Pricing speculation suggests the 2026 Volvo ES90 will start at around $65,000, with higher-end trims and performance versions reaching $80,000 GO1. Volvo is likely to offer different battery sizes and powertrain options, allowing customers to choose between range-focused models or high-performance dual-motor versions. Given its luxury status and advanced tech, the ES90 will likely be one of the most premium electric sedans in its class. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the ES90 is expected to feature a next-generation electric powertrain, delivering up to 500 horsepower and a driving range exceeding 400 miles per charge. Volvo could also introduce 800V fast-charging technology, allowing the ES90 to charge from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Some rumors suggest an all-wheel drive AWD performance model, rivaling Tesla's Plaid lineup in terms of speed and handling. Design leaks hint at a sleek and minimalist exterior inspired by Volvo's EX90 SUV. Expect a sculpted aerodynamic body, futuristic LED lighting, and a closed-off front grille to enhance efficiency. Inside, the ES90 could feature a massive 15-inch touchscreen, premium Scandinavian materials, and a fully autonomous driving system powered by LiDAR and AI technology. If true, this could make the ES90 one of the most advanced EVs on the road. As for the release date, the 2026 Volvo ES90 is rumored to debut in late 2025. With deliveries beginning in early 2026, Volvo could officially unveil the ES90 at major auto shows like the Geneva Motor Show or the Los Angeles Auto Show, where automakers typically showcase their most anticipated EV models. In conclusion, the 2026 Volvo ES90 could be a game-changer for the luxury EV market, blending Scandinavian design, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance electric powertrains. If Volvo delivers on these expectations, the ES90 may become one of the most desirable electric sedans of the decade. Stay tuned for more updates.